Let's make a nice crusty loaf of gluten-free bread. My stand mixer makes it easy to do, but if you don't have a stand mixer, you can still make it by hand. We'll just start by putting in all of our dry ingredients. Some organic sorghum flour, tapioca flour, teff, millet, organic cornstarch, xanthan gum, salt, and instant yeast. We'll just mix that together a little bit first. Then we're going to pour in some warm water. The water should be not too hot, not too cold. You should be able to pour it over your wrist without burning yourself. It should feel just a little bit warm, between 105 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 105 to 110 Fahrenheit. So let's start this up and add our water. Then we'll just let it run for a while and give it a good kneading. Once that's formed a nice smooth ball, we're just going to cover this up with some plastic wrap and let it sit overnight. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Let's see how our bread is doing. Dust a little flour on our board, put flour on our hands. This is rice flour I'm using. It's just probably the least expensive of the gluten-free flours in here. And we're just going to punch this down. It has risen up. There are lots of teeny air bubbles in it. And we're just going to get them all pushed out. Form this into a nice smooth ball when it bakes. There's lots of flour on it, doesn't stick to the towel. And we wrap it up and we're going to let that sit for 2 hours to rise. I've preheated the oven with 2 cast iron skillets in it. Preheated to 450 degrees. If you're fortunate enough to have an enameled cast iron French oven, heat the lid as well as the pot while your oven's preheating. Now we're going to gently roll the loaf into the pan. And put on the lid. Cook it for half an hour with the lid on. After half an hour, we remove the lid. After cooking for another half hour, our bread is done.